Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple fritters. So let's get started. First, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. And then in a small bowl, add in the eggs and sugar and whisk them together until they're well combined. And add in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Don't mix it with the dry ingredients yet. Then wash the apples and peel them. Then core them using an apple corer. And chop them up until they're about 1/4 inch pieces. Once you've chopped them up, add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And add in the diced apples. And mix them all together until they're just combined. Then to fry the fritters, add about 1 inch of oil into a pan and heat it until it gets to 350 degrees. You'll know it's ready when you drop a little bit of batter into the oil, and if it starts sizzling straight away, then the oil is hot enough. And once it's ready, add spoonfuls of the batter into the pan and fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until they turn a light golden brown color. Then once they're ready, remove them from the oil and place them onto a cooling rack set over a baking sheet so excess oil can drain. And continue doing that with the rest of them until all the batter is used up. And if you like, you can dust them with powdered sugar too. And they're best served while they're still warm. And that's how to make apple fritters. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.